This 4-sides sizing saw with a large protective cover is specifically customized for international clients, and also features a gantry automatic loading and unloading system. Equipped with an inclined waste conveyor belt for easy waste collection. This protective cover provides dust prevention, noise reduction, and ensures worker safety. Servo motor-driven, automatic precise positioning, suction cup automatic absorption, and accurate saw cutting. If you are interested in this equipment, feel free to leave us a message online.